Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open new folder in AOL Mail application using your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AOL Mail app on your mobile device and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, make sure to go to the inbox page and tap on inbox at the bottom left. Scroll down and tap on Create New Folder. Name your folder by typing it down with the help of your keyboard and click Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new folder or open up a new folder on AOL Mail. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again